Had some rain in the west, but farmers through eastern Australia are still waiting for the autumn break. This is how much rain we've seen so far this year compared to the long-term average up to the 28th of May. Broken Hill, less than 10 millimetres of rain so far in 2018. The average is over 100 millimetres. It has been the driest start to a year on record, and we've got data back to the late 1800s, so well over 100 years worth of data. Mildura picked up 1 millimetre over the weekend, so their total is now 22.8 millimetres so far this year. The average is over 100, and it's been the driest start to a year in 14 years. Hay, 27 millimetres, driest in 95 years. Griffith, under 40 millimetres, driest in 53. And even Sydney, 311 millimetres of rain. It sounds like a lot, but the long-term average is nearly 600 millimetres of rain. So only half the average rain, and the grass is turning dry, even for some coastal parts of southeastern Australia. Now on Sunday, we actually did see some rain in South Australia, and I think the sheep were probably wondering what was falling from the sky because we've had so little rain over the last couple of months. Take a look though at the ground. How dusty and dry is that? Even the sheep running are causing a dust storm there. Now this shot here is from just east of Port Augusta. Now that area did have widespread falls of about 5 to 10 millimetres. It's not a lot. But even some of the northern southern parts of South Australia picked up about 15 millimetres of rain. Now, altogether over the past week, there it is, some moderate falls through that pastoral district of South Australia. Further south, just dry conditions continuing over the past week, the odd shower along the east coast. But WA, that's where we've finally seen some good falls. Perth, over 60 millimetres of rain over the past week. Dalwallinu in the wheat belt has picked up about 40 millimetres, right about there. And for them, that's about a month's worth of rain that fell in just a few days. Even heavier falls across the Perth Hills, over 100 millimetres. Cold fronts moving through southeastern Australia to start the week. As a result, we have bursts of showers, even isolated storms, but it's mostly the first half of the week. By the time we hit Thursday, we've got another high-pressure system moving in, so more of the same. That's the kind of weather pattern that's been dominating over the past few weeks. Through the second half of this week, dry weather has returned there to southeastern Australia, apart from some light showers just brushing the coast. Plenty of rain in the Tasman Sea due to a Tasman low, but it's well offshore. We should see some rain, though, redeveloping through parts of Western Australia later this week. Looks like a bit of moisture coming down from the northern Indian Ocean. Let's talk totals. Tuesday, showers over the southeast, heaviest falls along the southern coastline and along the ranges. Those areas about 5 to 10 millimetres. Similar totals there for northern and western Tasmania. Now the front on Wednesday, another burst of showers, but it's only 1 to 5 millimetres for most of the southeast. Heavier falls there for western Tasmania. By Thursday, that high moves in and the showers mostly clear, but we'll start to get some rain in WA. A front for the southwest corner bringing showers, and then a rain band through the inland areas. And then again on Friday, we expect some precipitation through the inland part of WA, and then easing back by the time we hit Saturday. Let's put it together. Altogether, over the next 8 days, for the Murray Basin, only 1 to 10 millimetres of rain. So these fronts coming through early this week, they're not going to deliver the good falls. Slightly heavier falls for the Victorian coastline, perhaps 10 or 15 millimetres this week. 25 to 50 for Western Tasmania, but that's below average for a weekly total at this time of year. And for Western Australia, the wheat belt only 1 to 5 millimetres, but slightly heavier falls for the far southwest coast over the next week, and also light to moderate rain in a band from the Pilbara extending down to the Eucla.